124 days in how long. Fear and greed index is 26%, which is fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 38.4k. Finally, we are having some small pumps closer and closer to the 40k resistance area. Maybe in the current week we may see the breakout, which would be pretty nice for Bitcoin, at least for the short term. So on a daily time frame, Bitcoin is currently trading in slightly oversold area, MACD green phase, which is pretty nice. Volume average, nothing significant. On a daily time frame, K is obviously our pretty major resistance area, and 30k is our major support area, still no changes there. And today we got a new weekly close, which is pretty nice. There was a pretty green one. So on a weekly time frame we are having some curves to the upside in the current red phase of MACD, which is pretty nice. Maybe some small, very extremely small momentum there may happen, but again, we need a couple of weeks to see that happening. On a weekly time frame, on a previous candle, volume is above average, RSI slightly oversold. Monthly time frame, currently MACD red phase, volume on a previous candle above average, current candle no data, and RSI is obviously neutralish. We had a close on a monthly time frame above the July-June lows, which is pretty nice. So we'll see what's gonna happen in the current month. Maybe at least we're gonna have some bullish sentiment after breaking out of the 40k resistance. And obviously we got 14 days left till the 3 months correction period. If you're gonna compare to the previous all-time high in the previous year that we had 3 months correction from all-time high to the bottom and then reversal. So obviously 14 days left till the same pattern, if it's gonna be the same pattern. BTC dominance currently trading 41.9%, slightly 42, and other major coins kind of following the Bitcoin pump. Nothing significant. Maybe some of them lagging, some of them not a lot, but kind of pretty similar in general. So yes, pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. Today we got some news from Apple on Metaverse. We see a lot of potential and we are investing, says CEO of Apple, Tim Cook. Also, he says it's very interesting to us, the whole crypto and Metaverse thingy. Also, Salvadoran President Nayib Bukele expects Bitcoin to experience a gigantic price increase, which is pretty obvious since he's buying pretty much every dip. Also, Ubisoft executive thinks players reject NFTs because they don't understand the benefits, which is pretty radical and pretty controversial. Also, the United Nations Children Fund has called for incorporating child safeguards into online child protection initiatives, also citing financial and exploitative threats posed by unregulated crypto markets. So it's pretty much all TA news for today. Obviously hoping for a nice 40k touch and nice breakout in a current week. 5200 MA is obviously high above our current trading candle. 50 MA is currently sitting at 43.5k, and 200 MA is currently sitting at 48.8k on a daily time frame, obviously. So yeah, to the moon.